chilling in the tub right now, right next to the shower. This bathroom's got a great setup. This is probably my favorite bathroom out of all the floor plans Palm Harbor has to offer. It's got the tub here, shower right behind it, tons of storage in this bathroom. You got your closet in your bathroom, your double vanity split up by your French doors. It's just a great floor plan in general. You've got 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, a nice big kitchen, and a huge utility room with a desk in it. It's a full tape and texture home, and we are prepared for immediate delivery with this home. We don't want this home here very long. We're ready to give it to a customer. So if you're interested, we'd love to show it to you. Alan, if you kind of show them a little bit of the bathroom, that'd be awesome. So other than just the location of the shower right behind the tub, looking in this shower is amazing. So it's a glass shower up top. You got your nice solid sides down here on the bottom, and you've got a great bench in here as well. You've got the shower head up top. The shower and the tub combo make this bathroom. It makes the house, in my opinion. So if you guys would like any more information, give me a call at 936-730-8734. Shoot me a message on here or Instagram, and I'd love to help you guys out. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I look forward to talking to you soon.